Hi, thanks for joining Clear Water Prowash out of Columbus, Ohio. We are currently in Tartan fields in Dublin, Ohio. We cleaned this home, cleaned all the limestone, they were black, cleaned the grill, all the marble. Those were all black, the top limestone. Cleaned the concrete down below. And I'll take you around the rest of the house. So we're back downstairs. We cleaned all that side of the house. We cleaned the inside of here. Had a lot of spider webs, so forth. Windex the doors. Or not Windex, but clean the doors with a cleaner. The wood door there, fireplace, slate. What a great place to be. We cleaned all the stones and the hot tub pad. Cleaned the stones up here as well. Detailed the lights and the doors. We washed everything on the exterior. We hand cleaned all the wood in here. We also used an orange scent to hopefully keep the spiders from wanting to come back. They had a lot of spider webs here and on the corners, dirt daubers, where they made dirt nests. We fortified the wood. And the front, we got rid of the black marks at the bottom of the EIFS. Detailed the lights, doors, window clean. We got the limestone up here all clean. And the stripes are pretty dark. We got those to lighten up. They had a lot of calcite on the steps. We got rid of that. And this was all pretty much black as well, the limestone. So if you need exterior cleaning, we hope you consider Clear Water Prowash for your exterior detailing company. 614-425-9395.